Hello and welcome to 5Drive School of Motoring. It's Mohammed. I hope you guys are doing great. In this short video, I'm going to discuss with you guys whether or not you can drive in the bus lane, and if you can, when will it be. I've been asked to make a video on bus lanes in one of the comments, so I hope you guys will like this video. Driving in the bus lane when you're not allowed can cause you to fail the test, and you can also get fined. Similarly, not driving in the bus lane when you're allowed can cause you to fail the test as well, because you should always drive in the left lane unless you're overtaking. And if the bus lane allows you to drive in the bus lane, then you should. Okay, we are gonna have a look at the few examples. Okay, now further ahead on this road, we are gonna be coming up to a bus lane. So you will see the signboard coming on the left, but before you approach the bus lane, it will start from the dotted line. That signboard on the left tells you when you can drive or not. So between Monday to Friday, 7:30 to 9:30 every single morning, you're not allowed for 2 hours. Then you will see another signboard. If you're not sure, you can have a look at that. So on this bus lane, between Monday to Friday, 7:30 to 9:30, you're not allowed to drive. And if you do, you will get fined. And outside those timings, you are allowed and you should. And also Saturday and Sunday all day, you will be allowed to drive in the bus lane. And if you're not allowed to drive in the bus lane, you should come back now. As you can see the arrow on the floor, then you should check your mirrors, signal, and come back in your lane. And then further ahead, there's going to be another bus lane with 2 sets of timings. So the first one we dealt with was only operating in the morning. Now the bus lane coming up ahead, probably you won't be able to see clearly due to the shadows, but that bus lane is operating between 7:30 to 9:30 in the morning, and also 4 to 6:30 in the afternoon. So you can't drive in the bus lane during those times. So in this bus lane, before 7:30 and after 9:30, you should be okay to drive. And also before 4 and after 6:30, you should be okay to drive as well. As you can see, end of the bus lane sign. If you're not allowed to drive in the bus lane, you should come back now. So just look at the times carefully and days carefully, and then make your decision. If you're not sure, stay away from it. Then look at the next signboard, look at the time, and then drive in the bus lane. Let's have a look at another example. As you can see, the bus lane started from the dotted line. Now the bus was in the bus lane, so obviously it was not convenient to drive in the bus lane. As you can see, this one is operating between 3 till 6:30. So before 3 o'clock and after 6:30, you should be okay to drive in this bus lane. You can see there are plenty of signboards, so if you've missed one, don't worry about it. You will always see the next sign. And the sign also tells you what sort of vehicles are allowed to use the bus lane. Now this bus lane, buses, taxis and cyclists are allowed to be in it all the time. So this time does not matter to them, guys. Okay, now let's have a look at the final example for the bus lanes. Now this bus lane coming up ahead is operating 24/7. That means you will never be allowed to drive in the bus lane. Also, motorbikes will not be allowed as well. Now, when you get close to that sign, there are only two types of road users allowed, and that will be only and only buses and cyclists. So not even taxis are allowed to use this bus lane. You will see the sign. There you go. So this is operating all the time, but buses and cyclists are okay to use it if it's safe and convenient. So I've tried to give you different sort of examples with different sets of times and days. I hope this video was useful for you guys, and I hope you have learned something from it and you have a clear idea if you can use the bus lane or not. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this was useful. I'll see you in the next one.